Did you hear what Auntie Trudy said? She's going to take you to Sue's madhouse with Rose.
Oh, sorry, was it meant to be a surprise? No.
I haven't told her
Rose
yet.
has been telling her, so.
I don't think she's actually really realised that Rose has been, because
Yeah.
Rose was saying in the front there.
Where are you going to go now?
Listen to Rose.
Yeah.
I'm going to Sue's madhouse.
Yeah, I'm going with Auntie Trudy. And you're going to be good.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to listen to her. And have fun.
Why did that keep falling off me?
It jumped out of your sandwich.
I'm trying to bite it.
It jumped out.
Stop it jumping.
Stop jumping, yeah.
You need to stop jumping.
Does it?
No. I don't want you to jump out.
I
Don't
remember just after Rose was born, I
I
went to Sue's madhouse so John Roy could just go burn off some energy. And I sat there reading a magazine, and I don't know what she did to my hormones, but whenever I sat down and I read a sad magazine, I'd just sit there with tears rolling down my face.